people. So when I first started my channel, one of my main mottos was some of the stuff that I've learned in life, I wanted to pass it on through a video. So as of yesterday, in fact as of today, the thing that I've learned is uh, it's illogical to burn a candle at both ends. I mean, as in, if you're really like yesterday, I recorded 12 videos, and today I'm so tired. It's in the morning, but I'm still tired, So, and then if you lose that fun element of doing something, then it's very, you may not continue doing it. So it's important to enjoy the journey also. Yeah, I mean, this is something many people don't seem to realize and understand. So basically today's a Friday, and hopefully by next Friday I'll get to see my child. It's been 43 days since I've seen this little guy, my son. So those of y'all who are following my channel know that I'm a single mom, and uh, I see my kid only for 48 hours of the weekend. So in fact that's why I've set up my channel, so that you know someday I'll be able to, this 5 lakh per annum school, American school my child goes to. So I'll, it's all a matter of time. I'll just be able to get my kid back with me. In fact, that's the reason I've written over 100 ebooks, and I have my YouTube channel, and I do a few other things. So yeah, this is one of my most candid videos in a long time, but I just felt I should make it. So because you folks on YouTube have come to be my friends, yeah, like seriously, thank you. Just thank you for being my friend. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.